And it's a wonderful occasion for us. This is what BPW always has in our approach globally. And that's how we think transport, the starting milestone for us. And in India, something establishing a complete ecosystem of transport solutions. And when it comes to the trailer, it is BPW, right? So from the BPW side, we are very much overwhelmed to give our products which is synchronized all across the platform. Like GreenLine has come up into ahead, and then they shown the path for the greener mobility system for the future. And it is really a privilege for BPW India to synchronize all our products globally and bringing it to the India, and then working with a lot of trailer manufacturers. And we are celebrating here today all the trailer manufacturers in the single roof today. That's, I think it's very rare to find it in India, and that's what we are thinking, to bring all the players in between, and it's a complete ecosystem. We have a customer who is having the longer vision for the future of India and transport logistics segment, and we have the blue energy also comes from that, and the LNG side of it, right? So it's about the trailer, and the trailer is something very touchy for all of us, and there is things are getting organized now, and this is the first big example. I must show something in that way. Today we have a Tata DLT, we have a Seamless, we have Garima, TSI, and Vasanta fabricators, and the Tatico. These are all the ecosystem which is built by the different applications, right? And end of the day, working for the customer who is looking for the future of the logistics. And we as aggregate player, BPW plays major role on bringing this new technology of AES suspension, and that's what we are doing it from a couple of years back, right? So today we are very much overwhelmed with the responses for the GreenLine. Today we are coming up with the 500 trailers from the single umbrella of logistic. That is something big, which is looks like coming up for the future of Indian logistics, right? So it's a single customer owning 500 of complete air suspensions with LNG tractors, and with multiple applications built by the different trailer manufacturers. And we have something today. This is the occasion where we would like to display the future of solutions for the trailer segment, and it also plays a major role for the logistics kind of together.
We decided to come into this segment of green logistics. So when we decided to get into this green logistics, we had a couple of challenges to be taken care of, because we wanted to go with an 4x2 vehicle. Compulsorily, all my trailers has to be with air suspension. So we did a lot of study on this products of BPW and also the competition. So we had a lot of advantages we felt in terms of longevity of the product, less maintenance, and we had back-to-back a lot of discussion happened with BPW. Then we felt actually on the existing market, actually this product could be a suitable product for us, and also for all the applications. For an example, actually some of the axles were very good, but I'm not able to use it for all the applications. But in BPW, whatever the application we have decided from steel to retail product. So we have a heavy duty of 40 ton, or we have a payload of 23 ton. So we have a product range from all these things, and also we have a product for off-road and on-road also, because we decided to get into mines. We are having almost 80 vehicles in Hindustan mines. So we wanted to have one partner who can work with us on back-to-back in all the ranges, so which BPW is having that. So that's one of the reasons. Yeah, it's across the application. And skippers. So recently, actually, we already have flatbed, sidewall, tip trailers. We also have a heavy-duty containers, light-duty containers, and also we are recently coming up with tanks. So tanks are under fabrication. So all this product has a different variants which is suitable for the product. So we have all the product range.
And I think this is the thing which Indian trailer industry is looking for, because we had in the standard products earlier, it was a mechanical suspension which was over the periods, over the decades it has come. And then we like a BPW come up with a air suspension technology for this trailer, when the comfort comes into the picture and the safe logistics is going to come up, right? So we have a range of products on the running gear system. So that is what SL series, normally the 12-ton axle suspension what we are giving it. We also have a heavy duty applications for the tip trailer applications, and then we have off-road as well. And then we have with on-road applications, we have a flatbed trailers, sidewall trailers, and the bulkers. And then we have a Airlight 2, which has recently been launched, and we are still testing on that part of it. It's a Airlight 2 version, very lightest one with a 10-ton capacity, which is targeting for the segment of express logistics, right? This is with a 10-ton category, what we are looking for, tanker and the side container applications for the express logistics we are thinking about. This is the ranges, SL, HD, Ultra HD, and then we have a Airlight 2 version for the lighter duty applications. Then coming up with the digitization, that is what we have planned for the future. we would like to synchronize all these logistics with a digitized telematic system, so where we would like to control the logistic movement with digitally. Yeah, these are all the products we are coming up with very shortly in the market. As far as these technologies are coming, we since 2018 when the new regulations came into the picture for the axle loads, right? So then the journey has started, and we are proud that today the industry is elevated to that level where we can able to comfortably give air suspension for the multiple applications today. And we are thankful for the GreenLine, and today we started the journey in February 2023, where multiple applications we had an opportunity to give our products. And this is how come up with. We are standing after 2 years today with the 500 of vehicles altogether. The vehicles are with the air suspensions running on the mines and running on the highway applications, running on the multiple cement segments and the steel segment. So these are multiple applications where we had it, and this is an opportunity which is be given by the GreenLine to showcase our own products. This is where we stand today with the reliability and the trust and for the sustainability for the future.
With BPW, we have a very clear back-to-back understanding. So all our products across wherever we are running the product, it's a back-to-back maintained by them. So they have dedicated service engineer and also spare parts maintained in this location. And also we have an extended warranty for this product. So with that, we are getting a very good support from them. And also they back up in every stage. It's not that actually we given a product, we are getting out of that. They dedicatedly put a manpower in vendors where we are manufacturing trailer. They go and check their installation, and they certify each and every installation. So to that extent, they work with us.
Yeah, so when it's coming with the green, the journey has already started. It's looks like, and then 500 vehicles with LNG prime or is a green energy. We can see that this is the future for Indian market, right? And heavy commercial vehicle with a 55-ton capacity, and migrating to get this efficiency. Air suspension is something we are giving with a 4 lakh kilometers of hub racing axles, where the maintenance should not occur anytime in between. So in between there is no maintenance much on the part of it. And sustainability side, of course, the very efficient friction reduction on the bearing system side of it, and then we have a comfortable and the safest logistics what we are thinking about. Of course, these are all the technologies which will add it to the greener sustainable future for the India to come over.
Two major things is, one is safety. So as of now, we are having almost 500 plus vehicles with BPW. We never had a major breakdown in this vehicle. So we never had any issue because of the trailer background. We are not able to deliver. So that's one biggest advantage with this product. Second is actually this product has a very lightweight. So we are able to save weight of the entire product. We are getting an advantage of the product. And third is actually, even though they have a service network, even though I have a team, the utilization of the service parts and the team is very less. So the round time of the product is actually it is very less. We are very happy, and my first vehicle is almost crossing 2 years now. So till it is not having any major downs. Drivers are very happy because we not only with axles and suspension, we give the entire vehicle which is driver friendly. Like we have an air conditioned cabin, we have an ADAS in the vehicle, we also give an ABS in the vehicle, and also we have few vehicles fitted with tire monitoring system. So we give utmost facilities to the driver so that the drivers are comfortable, and we are getting a very good timely delivery. Our target is actually we wanted to cross 12,000 kilometers per vehicle as an average. Currently my average is different between vehicle to vehicle. Maximum we are doing 13,000 per month and minimum we are doing 7,000. Our target is we need to make this average to 12,000 so that my vehicles every month hits 12,000 kilometers.